All right, let's talk about shoes. My favorite. Mr. McConey has way too many pairs of shoes, seriously. He has 12 pairs of Nikes, 14 Adidas, 6 Allbirds, and 4 Pumas, all rough estimate. If he puts all the shoes in a big, very big garbage bag, what is the probability that he draws a pair of Nikes? So you can assume that I draw a pair of shoes, not just one of each type. All right, so first thing I gotta do is figure out my total. All right, the total, according to this problem, the total number of shoes that I have is what? 12 plus 14 plus 6 plus 4. So 36 pairs. I think it's more. What's the probability that I draw a pair of Nikes? It's going to be 12 over 36. And that should be 33%. So 0.33, which is 33%. What about Allbirds? Allbirds, we have 6 pairs. That's actually legit. 6 over 36 is 1/6, which is 0.167, which is 16% about. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Who doesn't love talking shoes? All right, let's talk grades now. Everyone's favorite, for sure. Suppose the grade breakdown is as follows. Weight as a decimal for homework would be 0.15. Quizzes, 0.15. Midterm, 0.30. And final exam, 0.40. So grade times weight, 94. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply this out, so I'm going to pause for now. All right, so again, what I'm doing here is I'm multiplying 94 times 0.15, 87.5, and so on and so forth. So I'm multiplying straight across to get these numbers. Okay, for my grade, I'll just total all 4 of these to get a 72.685%. Make sure you don't round these. Make sure you write these whole numbers out. Like I didn't even round this last number either. So my grade would be a 72%. That's a C. Not bad. Here we go. Last one of the semester. Writing out the weights here. In this class, the midterm is worth more than the final. That makes 0 sense. And then you're going to multiplying straight across. Okay, so I'm going to pause and do that. All right, so here are my numbers. Okay, then for our grade, we just add straight down, and I got a 79.9%, which is a nice teacher would make that a B minus. Let's talk about the difference between this one and a weighted mean. Okay, this one we're talking about, it's including our weight. All right, so by multiplying by this decimal, we're including the weight, whereas the other ones, like where it was 3 times as much, all right, we're not including the weight when we're dividing. Okay, we're trying to make them bigger, but we also have to take into account that we need to, divide by a number as well. Here, the division is already taken care of itself by including the decimal. All right, that we already did that. Okay, that's the end of the videos. Holy buckets, that was fun.